In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Behance Pro subscription. If you no longer need your Behance Pro membership and want to turn off your plan, this process is fairly straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can cancel your subscription without confusion and make sure you complete the final confirmation step. To begin, log into your Behance account. Make sure you're signed into the correct account that currently has the Pro subscription attached to it. Once you're on the main Behance page and fully logged in, head to the top right corner of the screen where your profile icon appears. Hover over your profile icon to open the account menu. In that drop-down, select Settings. This will take you to the area where your account and membership options are managed. If the page takes a moment to load, that's normal. Inside the Settings page, scroll down until you find the Behance Pro section. This is the part that shows information related to your membership. In that section, click Manage Membership and then wait for the page to reload. Depending on your connection or device, this might take a few seconds, so give it a moment before clicking anything else. After the page refreshes, you should see your current plan details. Look for the Manage Plan option and click it. A pop-up window will appear with membership actions. In that pop-up, choose Cancel Plan. At this point, Behance may ask you why you're canceling. Select the cancellation reason that best matches your situation. Then click Continue. After that, you may be shown a few additional prompts. These can include options to change your plan instead of canceling, reminders about what features you'll lose after cancellation, or other confirmation messages designed to make sure you really want to proceed. Carefully read through each prompt and continue through the process until you reach the final step. Once you see the last confirmation screen, click Confirm Cancellation. This is the most important part because your subscription is not fully cancelled until that final confirmation is completed. After that, your cancellation should be processed. It's a good idea to check for any on-screen confirmation message so you know the request went through successfully. And that's it. That's how to cancel your Behance Pro subscription.